Okay, so earlier we talked about a problem where we were mixing sugar and water, and we had a formula for the concentration, and it looked like that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that. Let's read the example here. In the sugar concentration problem earlier, we created this equation. Find the horizontal asymptote and interpret it in context of the problem. So now I'm going to rewrite it. So C of t is equal to t plus 5 over 10t plus 100. So they ask us to find the horizontal asymptote. So what we have to do is see if it's case 1, case 2, or case 3. And it looks like this is case 3 because the degrees are equal. The degree of the numerator equals the degree of the denominator. Let me write it that way. The degree of the numerator equals degree of denominator. Okay? So they're both first degree, and so that's what we get. For the horizontal asymptote, then, it's going to be those coefficients. So the horizontal asymptote is going to be y equals 1/10, or 1 over 10. Now, that means then in the graph, there's a horizontal, if this is 1, then the horizontal asymptote is like right there at 0.1, right? 0.1, that would be 1/10. So what does that mean? Well, we're not graphing the whole thing, but what we do know is eventually over time, if this is time, over time the graph is going to approach that asymptote. So if enough time goes by, the concentration on our sugar water is going to be about 0.1. It's going to approach a concentration of 0.1. That would be then the interpretation. Okay? So good to know.